It's been a long time coming. I finally got one of my grails. This is the Unikorn. This is a 2.1 Unikorn. It used to be forest green. It's been re-anodized to this beautiful, beautiful cyan. Look at this backplate. Iconic. So nice. It's built with HMX yogurt S soldered down on the stock Singa PCB with alu plate, TX stabs, GMK analog dreams. Here comes the sound test without the memes. What can I say? The board absolutely slaps. Smash that like button if you love this beautiful iconic unicorn on the back. I should mention that the board did benefit from bumping. I don't have any 8x4mm Kohaku feet handy that I'm sure would work in the original positions, but bumping directly on the way did clean out the sound. This is pretty much universal across all TGR boards that have back plates. The feet are usually barely higher than the plate and need an extra millimeter or so. While the board does sound incredible in this config, I will be building alternate builds with cherry on alu once I get my extra PCBs from McLovin. Thank you all for enjoying the content, sharing the joy with me in this personal grail of mine. The custom cyan ano is so gorgeous. I really, really love this color. Until the next one, peace out.